15th of June, 2026. Andrews Air Force Base, California, United States. A B-52 Stratofortress, one of the most powerful bombers ever built, prepares for another mission. For more than 7 decades, this aircraft has represented American air power across the world. A machine designed to survive conflicts, cross oceans, and carry out missions that seemed impossible. But on this day, something went terribly wrong. The bomber that had survived generations of warfare was about to face a failure that would end in disaster. So what really happened to the B-52 on June 15th, 2026? The engines roared as the B-52 began accelerating down the runway. A machine weighing hundreds of thousands of pounds, powered by 8 massive engines, started building speed for takeoff. But something was wrong. With 8 crew members on board, the B-52 continued its takeoff roll down the runway. But instead of lifting smoothly into the air, the massive bomber began to struggle. Something was preventing the aircraft from performing as expected. At 11:10 a.m., the B-52 began its takeoff. But almost immediately, the aircraft appeared to struggle. Minute after minute, the bomber fought to gain the performance needed to climb safely away from the airfield. For nearly 10 critical minutes, the crew battled to keep the massive aircraft airborne. Then disaster struck. Unable to gain sufficient altitude, the B-52 failed to clear the runway environment and crashed within the airfield. What had started as a routine departure had turned into one of the most serious incidents involving the legendary bomber in recent years. On June 16th, U.S. officials released a statement confirming the tragic outcome of the crash. Authorities announced that all 8 crew members aboard the B-52 had lost their lives. As investigators continued their work, tributes began pouring in for those who perished in the accident. Our thoughts are with the families, friends, and loved ones of the victims during this difficult time. We extend our deepest condolences and express our sorrow for the lives lost in this tragedy.